Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you where all of the Relaxaurus Effigies are. One of them is here on the volcanic island down to the south, in this little ring area. And this right here is an Anubis statue. I'll show you that in a sec. The next one is up north on this island right here. It's available in this little pagoda area right here. The third one is way up north on the gigantic ice mountain. It's way to the north right here in this little ruined tower. And then the last one is over in the desert in the rocks over here next to the Tower of the PIDF. And I think we'll start over there. Alright, so this one's kind of over here down beneath these rocks. You'll find it kind of nestled back here against the rock wall. So you can just run up here and grab it. Relaxaurus ones kind of glow all the colors slowly. So you can grab that right here. So that's the first one. Here is the coordinates for this particular idol is 501358. So after that, we're going to head up to the ice area. And the ice area, the one over here in the ice area, is located at -146 and 616. My friend Lox is already up there grabbing it. I'm going to head to the nearest teleport location up there on the very top of the mountain. So this one is a little bit further away. You'll have to go up along the mountain top. It's not too bad of a journey. And this one is sort of up in this ruined tower over here. You can literally see it glowing almost all the way from the teleporter. And I'm actually going to stop just short of it. So here is number 2. We'll grab that bad boy. And then the next one, we're going to go down to this little island. And the coordinates for this one are -631 and 228. So this one is over here, kind of up in this little pagoda area. In this little shrine building area. There's a couple chests here too. So don't be afraid to grab your fill. Alright, the last one is going to be down here on the volcanic island, and this one is roughly at -553, -623. And there is literally a teleporter right in front of it. And it's on the southern side of the volcanic area. And this one is up here beneath this guy. Which, I don't know what his deal is. And this Relaxaurus is behind this tree covered in ability berries. So you can grab that, you can grab some of these berries, and I also just got an achievement for grabbing all of these Relaxaurus statues. So now, the last component that we need to do is go back to base, find our Statue of Power, and give ourselves the 50% bonus experience for doing all the things. And so the thing to remember about the bonus XP from the Relaxaurus buff is that it affects both you and your pals. So it's just an overall XP buff. It's down here under XP gain. There's 4 units because it affects you up to 50%, 1 for each of the Relaxaurus effigies that you gain. So we just hit enhance and boom, now we get 50% more experience for whatever we do. So that's it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. This has been a brief look at how to get all those juicy Relaxaurus effigies. I hope you found this helpful. I've been your host, Larry, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more guides on how to find stuff and do stuff. So yeah, bye everybody and have a good one.